If you're trying to launch a game and keep getting that annoying message saying, please close Interception before starting the game, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it quickly and permanently. This method works in 2025 and takes just a couple of minutes, so follow along carefully. A lot of players don't realize that this error usually comes from a leftover driver called Interception, which some apps or input tools install in the background. The good news is we can remove it safely. First, open your browser and search for Oblatum Interception. Click on the official GitHub page. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the latest release section. Download the zip file you see there. That contains the installer we need. When the download finishes, open the file location, right-click the ZIP, and extract it. Make sure you remember where this extracted folder is stored, because we'll need its location in a moment. Now, go to your Windows search bar and type command prompt. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This part is important because we're going to remove a system-level driver. Inside command prompt, you'll navigate to the folder you extracted. It'll look something like this: cd% user profile, or downloads, interception, command line installer. Your folder name may vary slightly depending on where you saved it. Once you're inside the correct directory, type the next command. Install interception.exe/uninstall, hit enter, and the system will begin removing the interception driver. Just let it finish. It usually takes only a few seconds. As soon as it's done, restart your PC. When you log back in and try launching your game again, the error should be completely gone. And that's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, drop a like and feel free to subscribe for more quick and effective tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.